Okay. Oh, that guy's a spoo. Watch it, medic! Thank you, direct hit soldier. That's surprising. Okay, let's go. We're doing good here.
Stand on the freaking point, you moron!
Stand on the freaking point, you moron! There we go. Okay, we need to move in this way. Go in. Direct their fire. That looks like a spoo to me. Yes, it is. Look at that. Does he have dead ringer? Yes, he does. Somewhere around here. There we go. It's all about getting that one nice shot off. Whoops. Probably should have let him get that. Oh, no. Oh, I need to go Demoman. Ew. Ew. Oh, I was going to say, what happened to him? He was like super scary looking. It's a Demoman's time to show his worth. Da 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 da. Happy holidays, happy holidays. Whoa, you know you could get up there. Yeah, that's right. I need a Mudik. Mudik, hey! Oh man, he's in bad shape. Come on, medic, let's go. Let's do this. Okay, let's recharge. That was a terrible spot for a sentry. Huh. We got this. Oh, I need more people helping me. Man. Needs to be more people in there. No, they're going to get that point. What are they doing? Oh, that's probably what they're defending. Are you kidding me? They're still debating whether this is me or not. Wow. Hope they feel like a bunch of dumbs when they see this video go up. I should really just troll people in this server sometime. I think me and Z actually tried that once and we failed miserably. Okay. Okay. Now let's let that crit thing. Oh. Yeah, he just got hit. Come on, buddy. No! Yeah, I got somebody. Okay, we're good, We need a medic. We all need a medic. Oh yeah, we got that. Stupid Scoot. Who does he think he is? Oh man, they have a medic that's charging out at us. Come on, get him. Someone get this guy. Oh man. Thank you, buddy. Follow me, thank you. Thank you. I'm just gonna say, you better get him for me. Oh no! What? Wow. How could he not? Hopefully that guy knows he was dead ringered or whatever, because said he whatever, you know, what you and what not. What the brown, man? What the brown? Hey! Yeah, that's right. You better turn around when I call you. Medic. Medic! Medic! Hey, buddy. Yeah, you're dead ringer, you jerk. Yeah, where do you go? Unbelievable. Yeah, there he is, right there. He's following me like a jerk. Yeah, he put Dead Ringer on again. At least I think so. I don't know. What's this guy doing? Yeah, there he is again. Are you kidding me, buddy? Wow. You gotta be kidding me. This guy is hacking, obviously. Unbelievable. Okay, it's time to go Pyro because there's so many spies and they're just asking to get spy checked. That's just the way it's gonna be. If they didn't want that, maybe they shouldn't have been spoos. Happy holidays. Oh, come on. Who did that? That wasn't very nice. Okay. Let's lure him over here. Okay, come on. Come on. Don't come over here. Now, looks like we're gonna have to go and do the business from behind. Yeah, that sounded really bad. Oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man. No! Stupid spy, pyro. Okay. Mildly menacing medic gun. Well, you better Uber the right person, buddy. See that Demoman? Uber him. Go in with him. Oh, well, I guess not. He's got that stupid other launcher, whatever that thing's called. Oh, he's gonna die. Damn, he died. Unbelievable. Well, we're keeping pushed back. That's a plus. Let's go this way, Pyro. Come on, follow me. Oh man, look at this. Oh no. Wow, they just... Man. I should probably equip my back burner. Take care of them that way. Yeah, this is not good.
The control point is being contested.
This is not good. This is not good. It's time to go Heavyman. Heavyman. Oh, nice. Can't believe we just did that. Have to watch out for especially spoos now. Hello, soldier. That's right. How you doing? Okay. Yeah, thank you, medic. You guys need to watch my back. So we don't have to worry about them spoos. Okay, we got a clear way here. Oh, we got a heavy medic. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Thank you. Don't go back that way. You're gonna get spotted and killed. Yeah, that's right, buddy. Trying to get these guys distracted enough so I can... I don't think so. Get away from my medic! You kidding me right now? I don't even have enough ammo to be charged and ready. Oh! Yeah! We got it! I guess everyone killed themselves. Oh well. I guess I will too. I guess I will too. That's what it takes. Sometimes you just gotta be a heavy. Who's shooting that weird stuff? Okay, let's go. The creature cats will unite. Okay, nice, nice, nice. Like rice. Okay, let's, our strategy here can be... I don't think so, buddy.
God damn it, Cobra.
What's that guy yelling about? Oh, come on. Stupid. Oh, scout. Why did I say spoo? I knew it was a scout. I'm just gonna have to go and take care of him now. I might try out some Luxmaning for a bit. Not too long, because I know not a lot of people like Luxmans. But I like using them, so... Ooh, P. Happy holidays. Happy holidays. I don't